In this video, I'll be showing you how you can recover your account in your Dream League 2026. It's very much simple and easy. So to do this, let's tap on our settings like this. You see the arrow on your screen, and now we move to advanced here. Good. On advanced, what we do is you can see sign in with Google here. You're going to sign your account in with Google, something like that. So if your old Dream League, you didn't sign in your account, it's going to be very much hard for you to recover it, and you didn't transfer your account to a different mobile phone, it's going to be hard for you to recover it. But if you did transfer, what you do is you just connect that Gmail, tap on that, you get it. Yeah, are you sure you want to sign into Gmail or Google? You just sign in like that, and then your account is going to be recovered. All your players, everything is going to be recovered. Let me tap on yes. Now I don't want to sign in, but let's just try. Good. So here you select your preferred mail, which is this mail here. Good. So now you can see here connected. So my account has been recovered. Let me come here. You see all my players that I had in this Gmail should appear here. Come here, and everything is fully loaded. Everything is here. Yeah. So that's just on how you recover your account. So always when you download Dream League, what you do is you sign in your Gmail, so that when you lose your mobile phone, you can recover your account. So you don't lose the money you spent on upgrading your players. That's it. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.